In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Branch Locator on Charles Schwab Mobile. If you're trying to visit a local branch, get directions, or check nearby availability, the Branch Locator is the quickest way to find the location that works best for you, right within the Schwab app. Start by opening the Charles Schwab mobile app on your device. After it launches, sign in as you normally do so you can access the full set of tools inside the app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu or the More option. Depending on your device and app version, this might appear as three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon, or as a label that says More. You'll usually find it in a bottom tab bar or tucked into the top corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap Menu or More to open the list of sections. In this list, you're looking for either Client Service or Contact Us. Different versions of the app may use slightly different wording, but both of these typically lead to the same general area where support and location tools live. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the list. These sections are sometimes grouped with Help, Support, or Customer Service resources. Once you're in Client Service or Contact Us, look for an option labeled Branch Locator or Find a Branch. Tap that. This is the dedicated tool for showing you nearby branch locations. In many cases, the app will display a map or a list view with branches close to your current area. The view you see can vary by device, but both layouts are designed to make it easy to identify what's closest to you at a glance. From here, the app typically highlights nearby branches along with helpful information like distance and city, and it may center the map around your general area. If you're in a new location or traveling, this makes it especially convenient. The tool is built to be straightforward, so once you've opened Branch Locator or Find a Branch, you should have what you need to decide which location is most convenient. To recap, you're opening the Schwab app and signing in, heading to Menu or More, selecting Client Service or Contact Us, and then choosing Branch Locator or Find a Branch. That's it. With just a few taps, you'll see nearby branches on a map or in a list so you can quickly move on with your day. If the wording looks slightly different in your app, remember the key idea. Find the support section, then look for the branch finding option.